In this video, we are going to explain how to specify the direction of the unit vector and normal to the plane of a conducting loop. But first, I want to remind you how to draw the vector if it is directed outwards or inwards. Now look at this vector. Now if the vector is directed outwards away from the board, you are looking at the vector, you will see the tip of the vector. So this vector is drawn as a dot. While if the vector is inwards, it is directed into the board, you will see the tail of the vector. So this vector is drawn as a cross. Now let's move to our experiment. So here we have conducting loops. I will use this one. Now we want to specify the direction of the unit vector n. First, I will place the loop in the horizontal plane. Now the method is like that. First, be careful. Use your right hand. You do not use your left hand. So, using your right hand, curl your fingers with the chosen positive sense. Your thumb will point to the direction of n. So let's start with the first figure. In this figure, the chosen positive sense is like that, and so the thumb points to the unit vector which is vertical upward. So this is the unit vector. We draw it from the center of the loop. Now the second case. The loop is still in the horizontal plane, and now the positive sense is directed this way. In this case, this is the direction of n. It is vertical downward. So this is n. After finishing the cases of the horizontal plane, I will place the loop now in the vertical plane. Now, the chosen positive sense is counterclockwise. So I will curl the fingers of my right hand with the chosen positive sense, and this is n. Look at the unit vector n. It is directed outwards. So you will see the tip of the vector. So this vector is drawn as a dot. So this is n. While in this case, the positive sense is directed clockwise, and you curl your fingers with the positive sense, and the thumb points inwards. So the unit vector n is directed inwards. So it is drawn as a cross. Now also we can place, for example, the loop on an inclined plane. We will follow the same procedure. If the positive sense is like that, then the thumb points upward, perpendicular to the surface of the inclined plane. And if the positive sense is like that, so the thumb points downward in a direction perpendicular to the inclined plane, which means that the unit vector is downward, perpendicular, or normal to the inclined plane.